graphic display option, a silhouette edge is the eight in the graphic override hierarchy in Revit. That's mean I will repeat again, but I am convinced that the repetition is the mother of learning. If we repeat, we repeat, we repeat again, it will be in our subconscious mind. This is just some reminder for lifelong learning, people who always learning. Okay, come again to graphic display hierarchy in Revit. That's mean if we apply silhouette, it will be override the graphic, override in view by element, view filter, etc., until the object style. Let's see how it's work. If I go here in I create a view, graphic override the silhouette, it's a 3D view. And if we apply a silhouette edge, it can apply for the in a 3D view for the for this model. It will apply it on the edge. Well, we can find the this tool. If we go here, we click here in the bar control bar. We go to graphic display option here, and here in this dialog box, graphic display option, we have a silhouette here. And the silhouette is like a kind of a line style that we apply to have more graphic ornament or more graphic display in our visualization. If I take like here a wide line and I apply it here, you see now that it gave more depth to our 3D. You can apply it um, for elevation section, then to give more attraction to your visualization. Here I applied this wide line. I can, for example, here I can orbit this view. You see it's applied only on this edge here, but if I make orbit, you see that's come here now. It's like it's depend which view you see your model. If I see it from this view, for example, I can see here this the edge that I apply. If, for example, I make a orbit for another view here, you see the silhouette apply here. There is another way also if you want to create a line style that is specific for the silhouette edge. You can come here to manage, and in the manage tab, in the manage tab, you can go to additional setting here, and in the additional setting, you go to a line style here. If you click line style and you click here, you have all the line style that you have in this project. But if you create a new line style like that and you give it name like silhouette edge, for example, and you give it color, for example, here, like for example, I will give it a blue color, like I like it. You can also maybe you can apply orange color or another color, depend on your design. If I go here to line weight, I can give more depth, like more thickness to this line weight. Maybe pattern, I just keep it solid here. Okay, and now there is nothing apply here. But if I if I come back here to graphic display and I go here and searching for silhouette edge line style that I create and I apply it, see here that can give this this view. Like depending on how you want to use it, you can be creative with this tool.